Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you an easy method to breakdance. We'll start by exploring the foundational top rock, which is your standing dance. Begin with the Indian step, shifting your weight from side to side, then try the salsa step, moving your feet in a simple forward and back motion. Focus on feeling the music and staying light on your feet. This builds your rhythm and prepares you for floor work, making your transitions much smoother. Next, let's master the go down, moving from standing to the floor. A common method is the 6-step go down, where you smoothly lower yourself while initiating the 6-step footwork. The 6th step is crucial. It involves moving your hands and feet in a circular pattern around your body. Remember to keep your core tight and maintain balance. This move is the backbone of many floor combinations, so practice it until it feels natural. Now, let's add some flair with a beginner freeze. Try the baby freeze. Place your head and hands on the floor, lifting your legs for a static pose. For power moves, we'll touch on the concept with a simple swipe, pushing off the floor to rotate your body. These require strength and control, so start slowly. Focus on proper form and body placement to ensure safety and build a solid foundation for more advanced techniques. Consistency is key to becoming a great breakdancer. Aim for at least 15 minutes of practice every day, focusing on refining your top rock, go downs, and footwork. Experiment with combining these elements in new ways to develop your unique style and flow. Don't be afraid to explore different music genres. They can inspire fresh movements and rhythms. Remember, breakdancing is about personal expression and having fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.